Hi, today I wanted to run a Pydantic AI agents on my Jupyter notebook, but when I tried to run it using OpenAI, I got this insufficient quota error. This cannot be overcome without paying to OpenAI. So I decided to take a help of DeepSeek, a local DeepSeek setup. So let's see how to set up a local DeepSeek. So first go to ollama.com, download a Ollama. That Ollama exe will be downloaded here. I have kept it here in this folder. Then I run it and I can see this Ollama icon in my status bar. If I right click, I can see quit and view logs. When I click on view logs, it will open up this folder. This folder will contain app log and server log. Okay. Now this is Ollama, and now you want to download a DeepSeek model. So go to Ollama website, click on DeepSeek R1. I'm using smaller version. Copy this code and run it into your command prompt. So when I run it into command prompt, Ollama run DeepSeek, this it downloaded all 1.1 GB of the data, and then that DeepSeek agent was ready here. So I can access it through command prompt itself. Once this is set up, DeepSeek R1 is running in your local machine. Now we have to write a Python code with the Pydantic AI to access it, so that we can create agents with Pydantic AI and use it. Okay. To know that, we need to provide some detailed information like where model is running, where Ollama is running, and which model Ollama is running. To know that, I went into Ollama logs. Here into server log, I can see that model is running, Ollama is running on this one, and which model it is running is like whichever we installed, because we installed only one model. So I can see some model name here, DeepSeek. This one, DeepSeek 1.5b. Okay, if you hit this URL on your browser, you will see that Ollama is running. After that, you have to go to your Jupyter notebook, do this two thing. First, install Pydantic AI and async.io. I have already installed it, so I am not running this command. Remember to put exclamatory mark so that this is considered as a um, terminal commands. So this will be executed. After that, import async.io and apply it. Now I am going to explain you the code what I have written to access a DeepSeek local model using Pydantic AI agent. So Pydantic AI directly do not support DeepSeek. So we have to take a advantage of OpenAI client model only, but inside OpenAI client model we will provide a part to DeepSeek. Okay, so I have written a model ID, whichever model we are using, and the Ollama server endpoint. This server endpoint I got from the logs, server logs. Remember to put /v1 after that URL. Then we are creating client, async OpenAI client. This is OpenAI client. This is not uh, DeepSeek client. This is OpenAI client because Pydantic do not support. So base URL is this endpoint. API key, as we are running it into a local, we don't need a API key. So I kept it as it is, just a dummy. Then we create a model, Ollama. Ollama model, which is actually a OpenAI model. In OpenAI model, we are providing model name, which is model ID, this one, DeepSeek, and the OpenAI client is this client, which we created using a base URL and API key. Now we have a model. This model we are going to provide to agent. This is Pydantic agent. We have imported Pydantic AI import agent. So in agent we are providing model, Ollama model, plus we are providing a system prompt that you are a helpful assistant. Here this much is sufficient for setting up a assistant agent, Pydantic agent. Now this much is a remaining, this much remaining part is just to interact with agent. So DeepSeek returns lot many result like what he is thinking, and then some part he will return as a result, but lot many part is like think and that all. So we are removing this think part and we are interested into only into result. So this function I have written to remove think part. Then this is a mechanism to interact with DeepSeek. User input, while user input is not buy, until you say buy, it will keep on repeating. It will run a agent using a user input prompt and will maintain a history also. Okay, once result is returned by agent, we will clean a result and then we will put it in front of DeepSeek. All history will be maintained and it will start. Let's see how it is running. See, user input. Hi. DeepSeek is responding now. Hello, how can I help you? Are you tracking me? It seems like you are inquiring about the behavior interaction. Okay. And now I am saying bye.